Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to the future of secure document management with DigiLocker. The updated platform, now even more intuitive, makes storing your important files incredibly simple and safe. Imagine accessing your driving license, academic certificates, or any vital document, anytime, anywhere. This quick guide will walk you through the seamless process of uploading your documents, ensuring you're ready for 2025 digital demands. It is really easier than ever before. Before you begin, ensure your DigiLocker account is fully active and linked with your Aadhaar number. Having your registered mobile number handy is also crucial, as you might need it for a quick one-time password verification during the process. Once you are prepared, simply log into the DigiLocker website or app using your preferred method, like your username and a 6-digit PIN. This ensures a secure and personalized experience from the start. Once you've successfully logged in, your DigiLocker dashboard will appear. Look for the prominently displayed Upload Documents section, usually found on the left-hand menu or as a main icon. The updated 2025 interface is designed for intuitive navigation, making it incredibly easy to find. Simply click on the Upload Files button to proceed to the next step. This section is your gateway to digitizing all your physical paperwork. Now it is time to select your document. Click on the Upload button within the Upload section, which will open your device's File Explorer. Navigate to where your document is saved and simply select it. Remember, DigiLocker conveniently supports common file formats, including PDF, JPEG, and PNG, ensuring broad compatibility. Give your file a clear, descriptive name before uploading. This will help immensely with future identification and searches. After a successful upload, DigiLocker prompts you to categorize your new document. Take a moment to assign it to a relevant folder or add appropriate tags, such as academic certificates or proof of identity. This crucial step ensures your digital locker remains organized and incredibly easy to navigate. Finally, confirm the upload and always double-check the uploaded documents section to verify everything is there. Congratulations, your document is now securely stored.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.